How to change your location on Netflix iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your location on Netflix iPhone. First of all, open Safari web browser on your iPhone. There, you can see all the TV shows based on your current location. Now go to Settings from the Apps menu. Turn on VPN from there. Go back to Netflix. Refresh the page. As you can see, the recommendations for TV shows have been updated. After this, open a new tab in your browser. Search for NordVPN. Tap to open its web page. This is how you can change your location on Netflix. Alternatively, one of the best ways to change your location on your phone or computer is to use a good VPN. They are reliable and will make any website, app, or person think you're in a different location. We highly recommend NordVPN. We have left a link in the video description if you would like to check them out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.